Did you watch the first part of this video? If you haven't, I think you should. The first part of this video talks about the types of dog training lead and how to train a dog with them. What are the rules to follow when training a dog with a lead? 1. The lead should be worn constantly when the dog is outdoors throughout the training period. This is to generalize the lead. The lead should be worn all the time when the dog is going out, not just when you are trying to correct a bad habit or establish new ones. If the lead is used only when it is time to correct habits or training, your dog will find out what you are up to. 2. It is not a good idea to pull on the lead unless it's time to correct a problem. Try not use the training lead as a conventional lead. Pick it up only when it is time to correct habit. The correct number of times to touch the lead when using it to correct a problem is about 4 times in a month. 3. Do not cut the training time short. To achieve the best results with the lead, use it for at least 1 month. Allow the dog to wear the lead for at least 1 week before the training starts and 2 weeks after the habit has been corrected. If it is not done this way, your dog might revert to its old habit and even realize it was the lead that gave you control over him. How to teach your dog to stop pulling on the lead. When using the lead to take a walk, your dog might pull on the lead because it is excited to be out in the open. It might also find a few distractions like a small animal or a flying insect to chase and novel places to explore. This will result in the pulling of the lead. You will need to train the dog to stop pulling on the lead. Getting your dog to walk on a loose lead is not an automatic process. It takes time and patience, which might run into months. Taking walks will take time because you will pause to establish the training sometimes. The method of training a dog to stop pulling a lead are: stop walking when the lead goes tight. Stand still until the dog walks back and the lead goes slack. Then continue walking. If the dog does not come back, start moving in another direction to get the dog to come back. Try not to jerk the lead, just stand. Give the dog reward when it is walking by your side. Carry plenty of treats at the beginning of this training and gradually reduce the number of treats given as the training advances. Give the treat while walking, do not make stops just to give treats. Start this training in a quiet area before you proceed to a noisy and busy area. It is easier for dogs to pick up habits in quiet places than in places full of distractions. Do not punish the dog for pulling. It is easier to reward good behavior. Remain consistent. Do not encourage pulling after training your dog to stop it. Did you successfully train your dog using the dog lead? Tell me how it turned out in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. Turn the notification on, so you'll know once we post a new video. Do not forget to visit our site, www.zimdogtraining.com, for more dog training content like this. Thank you.